Well, we're going down towards the end of the garden. It's a bit of a windy day today. We've got the orange trees growing there, going up to the house, and looking out over farmland. The railway track's just up here. There's a railway bridge. They ship through logging trucks, or logging carriages through on the railway tracks about every hour and a half, and that's pretty much day and night. So yeah, it's all pretty good. We've got a stream down the end of the section. During the summer it's quite a lot drier, but this time of the year there's definitely a bit fuller. Any dead branches and stuff like that in the bottom of the stream. It's quite a pretty little area. So the railway bridge is just there, so we've got the trains go through there every few hours. New cabs are out at the moment. 30 or 40 of them. That's their feeding trough, that's where they go and get their food. These are the older ones are here and the younger ones are very inquisitive. I always want to know what's going on. So yeah, this is quite a good time of year because it's there's a lot of new animals around the place, even if they are going to end up being snakes. So this is the chrysalis, and the butterfly is, if I can find him, here he is. That's what comes out of the chrysalis.